Mark out some zones for this one already, huh?
I've got a intraday one on the 439 1 minute candle, and it's holding up pretty nicely.
A little 4 hour pocket. Let's see if that matches with the daily. Okay, I see what you're talking about. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Walker, you were saying what? You had one from.
It would be the bottom of it's 158, the top of it's
Yeah. Okay.
174. Yeah, I mean, I guess you could have went a little bit lower, but
Nope, nope, dude.
drew it early,
Your
so.
zones are your zones, brother. You are right.
And other than that, I didn't draw much until like 360 on the daily,
Yes.
because the last like 2 weeks is just 50K volume or something like that, and or 10K volume.
There's a little daily window pocket right here too. Might mark that one. Why not, right?
Where are you talking about?
There's a little window gap from. Hold on one second. Let me just. I know I'm kind of trying to do a morning stream instead of we'll screen share in a
Oh,
little bit in like about 20 minutes.
that's fine. You want us to join
No, no,
that
no.
instead?
No, brother, you're good. It's all up to you guys. I want you guys to focus, right? Always focus. I gotta. Okay. Let's break down. Make sure.
30K bid just popped up for CDT.
Okay.
Watching that buyer moving up again,
Is that
30,000 right there.
is that the same one from
Mm-hmm.
170?
So yeah, he's moving up from what is that, 165, 170 now is at 178.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were right, Mikey, about the arc. I can see the new orders there. Good one.
Yeah. See, they broke above it. Now they're pulling. Same thing too. There's a lot of control on this one, you know. Especially this. This is a controlled walk down. You know, you had a controlled walk down at 5:25 in the morning, all the way down to 5:30. So it's really good to, you know. I like to. Hmm, okay. And you know, this is nice to see. This is little pivots, right? That control down at 5 in the morning, pulled back, bounce off a pivot right here. It's nice. You know, you can Draw a line, right? It's cool. And then you want to see the selling. What happened? Best thing about the book, guys, is we can keep going back and reviewing. Not a lot of appetite. And you got this bidder. Okay, you got a nice front runner bidder at 527. We're about to get that 7 a.m. volume, so let's see what happens. I see that this guy, this front runner, actually that guy he stuck around for a while. Not bad. About an hour, a little bit less than an hour, and then they got. See if it got sold into. Yeah, nice. This is nice. This guy got sold into. They removed the liquidity. All right. What's up, guys? RGV, Steve, TK, Walker, everyone again. Yeah, I'm doing a quick morning show on YouTube to stream in the mornings a little bit for about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Go over a few charts, and then I'll hop off and I'll screen share inside the Discord room. Nice. Okay. Hmm. Cool. Hmm. Nice. There goes some 7 a.m. volume. That's cool. Nice. You got a next magnet here to with the 209s. Omni. Yep, 210. Cool. Okay. They always had that magnet there too at $2. Smashed right through it, as you guys can see. Beautiful. Let's see if these areas become potential demand now. Right, 190s. Very important to go see the structure that they did at 4:30 in the morning. Remember, guys, it's only 7 a.m. I love watching price action first. Oh yeah, always 7 a.m. crowd, 7 a.m. volume. TD opens up, a lot of brokers open up. Huh. Okay. Well, we gotta. A lot of games on the way up. We definitely got to reclaim these 215s up here. There's not really a lot of appetite of buying. A lot of people got filled in the spread from 202 to 210. What is it doing? Okay. Yeah, It's a 7 a.m.
Yeah,
volume.
somebody's walking that down.
Someone's walking it down.
Yeah.
I'm gonna draw some new zones, like maybe a potential one right here. It's really not that much volume. Try to look for more. Yeah, you can draw a zone. I drew a zone, just a small one from 175 to 179 to see if it bounces. If not, I mean, that's cool. Just watch for now, right? You guys got brokers before 7 a.m. You know, you can definitely trade this a lot different than I can. I like to just watch. Draw one right here too from the 552 candle. 169, 171's potential. Nice. Yeah, see the walk down. Nice. They got a new offer at 25K at 202. Yeah, same thing on the Omni feed. Okay. Let's go look at some. Okay. Mm, I got Howl up too. Why not, right? Because it's supposed to be a another moon market play, right? And supposedly, see what they do. It's funny. Mm. CHRS, not bad. Let me see. Good thing about the book with CHRS, we can see previous history over here. I would like this potential to maybe to hold 288s, previous areas of interest. Yeah, they got a lot of liquidity on here on the bid side. Mhm. Not bad. Remember on that CHRS too, a lot of buyers stepped up towards 1500 all the way up until about 1511. A lot of aggressive buyers. That's what's selling too. But ideally, these guys should be defended. Hmm. I don't need that. Hmm. What's up, Jay? IBRX push. Yeah, IBRX too. That's another one.
Yeah, it's moving. Sorry, I'll be missing you guys on my busy weekend, but missed you guys that were on. Yeah, man, this one has been trading like a small cap, with this 93 million float, but I think it's due to the big 400, 3 years of financing they got. So it's no risk to the trade. So the big boys are stepping in and moving this thing.
Yeah, it's got some volume, definitely. Consistent
Yeah,
volume on the daily, for sure. Yeah, let's definitely keep this one. I already mapped out some daily demands, right? It already ran 275, little drop off area at the 296, and then I did one from an upper wick from 333s down to 312s.
right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Then we got a window gap on that one, a big one from 560 to 370s. But I want to make sure, yeah, I remember you kind of zoom out and go back a little bit further than this, and then Yeah, I mean, 375 is a big deal. This thing tried to bounce a lot
Yeah, I was
off.
hoping that this. But I'm sorry. Sorry, cut you off.
No, 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 good, good. What else you got on this name?
No, I was just hoping that this didn't get started. It normally doesn't peak and start to bounce until closer to, after 8 and closer to the bell. Um, and it's bouncing early. So I was hoping it didn't do this. So it makes the trade a little bit more riskier because if it makes a big move in pre-market, I'm out. So
Let's go. You swinging some of this thing?
I did. Yeah, I've been
Nice.
swinging. I was going to add to my position if it consolidated a little bit and started to move up before the bell or right into the bell. But we'll see what happens here.
Let's go. Nice. Let's go.
Yeah, it's been strong though. People trade has been in this thing for the last couple days, and it's just been rewarding. If you look at the last 2 days, it's just
I
been
know
a
it's
great,
up only.
pretty nice.
Let's go. Let's go. If you guys are focusing on those and CDC, keep focusing on that. Just continuing some more prep. Make sure I'm not missing anything on the 4 hour. Gotta start marking out some demand. Okay, we got some right here. Uh, hmm, I'll use the intraday ones. I'll keep that. That's fine.
I think this may be a good lesson. So if we're swinging something, for it to be active,
Ah, yes, yes, right. Not like INO, the other swing for me.
Uh, many of them. Well, I mean, some of those pennies are rewarding if you just got the right intel.
Yeah, it's true. This is definitely nice. Let's see the daily again. Yeah, this one's nice too because it this was there was I marked out a zone and I changed it to green so for demand now since we're above it. But I mean at 198 to 220s was basically supply. Rejected it, pulled back light, closed strong into it, and the next day it opened up, ran into the 200. Um, and yeah, and this is where we're at now. So hmm, we're okay. A lot of volume came inside this 1512 candle,
Hmm.
and it just stood there. Hmm. Hidden orders, hidden sellers, hidden buyers, potential mix, and it ran into a previous. Okay, yeah. So honestly, I would really like for 249s to firm on that. That was a previous breakdown yesterday when it started at 1023. Tried to get above it, failed. Tried again, and then it ran into that the first breakdown and put in at 1006. So
Right.
these will be some two nice intraday zones to reclaim.
And if you look at, are you still talking about IBRX?
Yeah, IBRX. Yep, yep,
Yeah.
yeah.
Look at last session. At 11:30. Someone tried to drop it. I think
Mm-hmm. See that?
that a 400K bidder came in and it got scooped up immediately.
Nice, nice, yes. And then it bounced above it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so far, yep, yep, exactly. And then now it, yeah. So if you draw that zone, it almost pulled back to it, 228. So I got the top of mine 227. You could have went a little higher. Doesn't matter. But yeah, that was nice. And then it just basically did a double bottom, higher low, and closed strong. Yeah, definitely keep this one. This looks like it. What's the float on this one? I'll look. You probably already know.
Like 96 million.
Okay.
But, it looks like one of those Steve Cohen plays when he moves into a small biotech, no matter what the float is, it goes.
Bio's
So
still
this,
been running. I mean, this is another. Bio's been the theme lately.
yeah.
Okay. I know. Let's see. I got Hub C. I don't know. Hub C. It still didn't die. I'm only gonna play this if we get some heat on the book. There's already some offers on there. Yeah, they already got high liquidity on the offer side. Not too much bidders yet. Uh, so we'll wait. Spec 2, don't lose sight of. We'll see. Spec. Oops. Yeah, spec. Hmm. Spec ran into previous supply at 280s and then it dumped and closed sideways. So it didn't dump all the way yet. This can be a continuation play to look for. Uh, let's keep watching that. Yeah, this. Yeah, let's see what this does. This can trade sideways again, and then try to get open market volume potential and go and or catch. I'll be looking for other names. Maybe things that are set up a little different. And then CHRS2 again. And then you got anything else? What do we got? Hmm, why not, right? Run down these. No. TPET. TPET. It's petroleum. Not a bad daily. Looks like there's some absorption going on the daily. I'll run this real quick. Just to have it, right? Might as well. Hmm. Yeah, Vin. Nice move on CHRS, huh?
Yeah, that was a boomer.
Yeah, not bad so far, huh? Just trying to reclaim some daily supply right there. Want to really see that 339 to reclaim for sure. Okay, TPET just in case. Okay. Yeah, I mean TPET's got a little bit of bitters, but okay. TPET had some front runners on this from Friday. 27 cents and about 33 cents. All right, yeah. Cool. All right, that's it. That's all I got on. I'll keep these names on watch. Um, I want to see how this name does. Hal. Hal for the moonshine. IBRX too. A lot of
Uh,
aggressive.
I think he lost a lot of money on that trade.
Yeah.
Oh, huh? Yeah, he pumped it and it died.
Hey, you don't have to guess when when you have the book. Okay.
But he doesn't tell where he entered when he entered his position. So
No.
he doesn't say that. He'll come on. I mean, so he made this announcement on Sunday. He could have entered on Friday morning or Thursday,
Hmm.
and secured, whatever upside gain and whatever pullbacks. So it's just not a lot of transparency in what he does.
Hmm. Hey, we can pull up the book and see everything. We can see it all now. Pre-existing history too. So we can see if people are telling the truth or if they're lying. It's very, very simple now for us. We don't even have to overthink it. We can see right raw price action in front of our face.
Yeah, I mean, he could have made that investment 3 days ago. So
Yeah,
it's not a lot.
3 months
So
ago.
right, right. Not a lot of transparency.
What a joke. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, we kind of see this CDC, or sorry, CDT. Sorry, always do that, but it's cool. Definitely OmniFeed had some 202s and what is this 199 offer runners. Oops. Oh, okay, I'll fix that. Um, Control and price action. Boom, right back to 170. Right, very important to look for appetite. Definitely was some appetite. Not enough though. Nope, not enough. They actually chewed through it for 195 for a split second, and they immediately threw offers on there. So really nice to see on the Omni too. They tried. Someone did. Yeah, they took it off. They removed the liquidity and they threw it right back on. Bada bing, bada boom. No, no guess. Let's see. Same thing. Let's see. 183. Yeah. Okay. Even the DX showed. Okay. Yeah. All right. So the Omni showed a slight appetite. Boom. They came back, threw another offer. The DX feed did not show any appetite. So yet potential right on here they did not. Okay. No appetite of buyers. Right here. Right here. And really all the way down, guys. So if you're really watching this and paying attention, like I know everyone is too, and the underdogs, you guys use book. Just keep utilizing this. All right, there's no appetite. Very controlled. Do they pull it? They pull it, and then look, they pull it for a second. Some buyers get in and immediately throw down another one. It's like you know, okay, boom.
So on the 4 hour, it got rejected at the 50 EMA.
Hmm. Make sure you start drawing some new breakdown zones. Well, this is a previous one, so it needs a reclaim. That's such light volume. What's this doing? I really marked this zone, this new one. Try to, mm, yeah, I like this one. We definitely got to reclaim 187 to 190s, and then obviously, the highs. So far, it's putting 7 a.m. volume a lower high against the 430 structure. And remember, just because that thing broke by a couple of pennies doesn't mean it's strong, right? Let's lose the book for at 7 a.m. Was there appetite at 7 a.m.?
Not much.
Yeah, really not much. Mm-mm. There was. You got some people smacking this. Yeah. Okay, two. This is great. I kind of want to touch base on this too, real quick. It's like when you have your active trader ladder up, or your P&L, open P&L. As soon as somebody smacks 203, that's the last, you know, best price. But as soon as somebody comes and starts selling against 201, that is the best available price now. So it's going to ping pong. So make sure you utilize the best offer and best bid and see if there's any appetite. There's very small appetite. I mean, look at the shares that are even on that. If you guys got the book, it's 200 shares, 361, 500. Really not a lot of appetite going into two. And, make sure you're not getting filled, and make sure you guys spread this and see the spreads. It's very important. You know, and then, immediately, it's just only okay. Yeah, you can kind of see the difference. Okay, there's only about maybe 6,000-7,000 of buying, and then it's mixed with some selling, and then you got someone who just comes in and just maybe someone just tried to buy all at once right here, and then they're like, oh, it didn't work, and they stopped out for a 2-cent loss. Wow, careful. And then immediately throw in, they do a book flip at 199. As soon as the best bid comes in and the best offer drops, they throw in that 199 offer to help control price action. All right, these bids are going to try to, best bid is going to look for liquidity. Where is their buyers? Ooh, there's buyers are here. Well, they're selling into it now. Let's keep going, Very important to understand this. All right, guys, I'm going to, peace.